sobrang di ko alam kung anong ginawa namin tama nung araw na yon. Kami nanalo sa ruleta na maging first na pumili. And alam
Sobrang
na.
swerte natin doon.
Sobra.
And I'm really honored that I will be the one coaching you for the finale.
Yes,
Thank you,
of
thank you.
course.
Guys, di ko alam kung naalala niyo, pero nagkakwentuhan tayo nung episode 6, yung Dionysus. Nung parang nagtatanungan tayo, parang sinong gusto maging final duo? Ganyan. Parang nabanggit ko nun sa'yo, Sofia, na alam mo, pag nag-partner kayo ni Kuya Rocco hanggang dulo, sure win to.
Ayun nga yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, parang ayaw nila tayo pag-partnerin talaga.
Talaga ba? Pero alam niyo, Coach, for a time talaga, I felt down, or we felt down din. Kasi nga parang, di kami umaabot sa ano. So, mas gutom na talaga kami ngayon.
I love
mas
that.
gutom.
I love that energy.
So iba yung drive namin talaga this time around.
At
And,
gagamitin natin yan.
tama. And yung piece na to, yung winning piece na to, para sa'yo to.
Yes. Sundan natin yung Dionysus.
Ikaw manalo this.
Ito na naman, maiiyak na naman ako. Wala pa nga. Katulad nung
yun.
pagpapaiyak niyo sa akin nung episode na yun, ano?
Dapat manalo tayo kasi first time natin maging partners. Hindi pa tayo final partners
Di pa,
nun.
di pa.
Tapos nanalo. Tapos tayo magkasama nun.
That is the goal. That is my goal for this piece. Nasabi ko na before, pero I'm just going to bring out your strengths.
Yes.
What you guys actually could do. And I know that you guys will be able to execute it on our pyesa. I know that you guys know how challenging our finale piece is. It is something that you've never done before. Something na ngayon nyo lang gagawin at ngayon na makikita sa Stars on the Floor show dito sa Pilipinas. So I'm really just already so proud of it kahit hindi pa natin siya super buo as of the moment. We're going to do our best to make it happen.
Kaya yan.
And I know that kaya-kaya nyo kasi nga
Yes,
kayo na yan. So,
of course.
At dahil dyan, umpisahan na natin to. Gina, no?
Ako very confident ako sa finale piece namin kasi syempre Coach Angel yan eh, ano ba naman, di ba?
Ikaw na yan eh.
Ano pa nga ba? Pero I think yung piyesang ito kasi sobrang all out na kami dito as in last round na eh. So parang we have nothing else to lose. And gusto na talaga namin ilagay lahat ng hindi namin napakita neto mga past episodes. Kasi medyo madami.
Tama.
Medyo madami kami hindi naipakita kasi tagal namin hindi nag-dance.
Tama. So, naipon.
Oo, naipon. So, I think ito na yun. I think ito na talaga yun. So, for me, confident, but at the same time, sobrang, alam mo yun, I have a lot to work on pa rin talaga. Personally.
Umpisahan natin yung pyesa natin. Ipapakita natin sa start yung struggle.
Okay.
So, our story is really that journey of struggling going to success.
Tama. Na nararamdaman ng karamihan ng Pilipino.
Yes. Kaya sa start natin, sige, nasa floor kayo.
Okay.
Showing na down pa kayo at this moment. You know, alam niyo yung feeling na pagod kayo, binigay niyo na lahat pero kulang pa din. Sige.
Badi
Start
ka pala,
tayo,
umiiyak na tayo, ah.
leaning towards each other, supporting each other. Ready? In 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. Hinga. And breathe. Kamay, head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit back to back. 5, 6. Sophia, breathe. Inhale. 7, 8 down. Good. At this point, di ko muna ipagagawa sa inyo. Pero magbabakwalk ka over Kuya Rocco.
Okay.
Okay, sige. Up. Sige, tayo ka muna. Up. Going all the way here. And then from this position, you will lift Kuya Rocco up. 7. Then from here, front. Dito tayo sa arm. Ka. Cha. And scoop and head. Good. Alright, inhale. And exhale. So when you do that, Kuya, make sure lang right. Yes, perfect. Okay. From here, meron tayong konting beat kill. Dug.
Oh!
Ready? From here, position. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. Ta. Yes. So make sure naka-extend yung isa. Yan. Okay. This is the part that you guys are showing your strengths pag magkasama kayo. 5, 6. So from our last position, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. From here, lift tayo. Sophia, baby cradle. In 5.
5.
Dip on 5. Up on 6. And then we're going to do a split. 7, 8. Wag mo muna gawin. And then up on 1, 2. And then 3, 4. Ka. ka.
Ito pala muna.
Back to back. Yes. So meron tayong scooping motion to go back to back. Leaning forward, Sophia. Kuya Rocco back. And then switch. Turn around. Catch each other. Ka. So yung position mo,
Baba na ng back na.
when you do that, are you stepping your left, right,
It's from here
back to back?
to
And-
left, right.
So hindi ka na nagta-turn. Sige, try natin.
Or turn back.
Turn step.
Okay.
Yan. Doon
Pero
tayo sa
left,
part
right
na
pa
yan.
rin.
Oo, left, right pa rin. 5. Sa step na tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And slide back. And I'm a so. Okay, try natin yung I'm a so. That part, you are coming from a moment. Nag-build up tayo ng
So, magkatingin na kami nito?
Yes. Kailangan natin yung moment
Let's
na
do
yan.
this.
And then, sharp look ka. I'm a so. Okay. Okay. Cut muna tayo dyan.
Aha.
Let's take it one more time coming from the very top.
Okay.
Wala mo na mga stunts, wala mo na mga skills. Let's save that for the actual show. Hindi mo na namin papakita, guys, para naman ma-surprise
Baka
naman
maano
kayo
eh. Yeah.
sa something na hindi nyo pa nakikita, okay?
Okay.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. Inhale. Kamay. 2. Head. 3, 4. Back to back. 6. Hinga. 7, 8. Kamay. 1, 2. Back walk. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3. Ka. Cradle up and bring it split. Recover 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and zoom. 2. I'm a so. Good. When you will do this lang, make sure that you're holding muna. Closer pa tayo sa each other. Yes. So that we can have that slide. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. I'm a so. Good. Okay.
Malalim na malalim para sa amin to kasi parang itong piece na to pinapakita niya yung journey namin dito sa Stars on the Floor and maha-highlight namin yung weaknesses, ang strengths namin, pero more than anything makaka-relate lahat ng manonood dito kasi aabot talaga to sa puso ninyo.
Yes. Dito niyo makikita na kung ikaw yung nagsistruggle talaga, gagawin mo talaga lahat para makuha yung success. And I'm pretty sure na lahat kasi tayo may sarili tayong mga timing lahat.
Tama.
And I think for us, ito na talaga yung time namin. This is ours.